Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Joan, and today we're going to be trying some treats from their Dutch treats from worldwidetreat.com. And so we're going to be trying all kinds of treats. All right, this looks like must be some kind of fruit cracker. Got my trusty scissors. Oh yeah, they look like they're like some kind of blueberry or something cracker. Mmm. Tastes like a very dry Pop-Tart. Yeah. Oh, we'll pass on those. And these are Roka, the original cheese biscuit, Gouda cheese. Well, I've never tried Gouda, so it'll be my first time. Yeah, those are not very good. Just a little. Those are not bad. These are Dutch Bakery Cocoa Schroekensen coconut rings. Must be a coconut cookie or something. I like coconut. That looks like a coconut macaron. Mmm. Mmm, that's really tasty. Mmm. That's just for that. Oops. Krokkelrücken. I don't know. It looks like some kind of pretzel. So it looks like pretzel. Mmm. It tastes like chemicals. Got a little WD-40 for that. Might help my freaking joints. Okay, let's have some little tea. Who else loves these teas? I love them. Oh, what's this? I don't know about this. That's going to be the last thing because I hate licorice. That will totally mess up my tasting. I'll take one bite of that for y'all. Usually I would need it. Oh, hold on. Is this... No, this may be like a raspberry flavor of that blueberry one at the beginning. I still Pop-Tart. This is, oh my god, you can't taste it. It's so tough. They must be very skinny over in the Dutch because I can't eat very much. Their snacks are terrible. I do like cappuccinos. Now we do have one like this over in the United States. Hopefully it's as good. Because we have the chocolate cappuccino ones. We have a vanilla one. They're longer and bigger. These are... Looks like it's got wax or something on the outside of it. No, this is nothing like what we have. Wow, that will wake you up. Pure coffee. Yeah, this tastes like coffee you used to get at the hospital in the vending machines. Yeah, like it's been sitting in the coffee machine for a week. That's strong. Woo, that'll wake you up. And we have a Stroop waffle, the authentic Dutch Stroop waffle. Yeah. It's flat as a pancake. Maybe they should rename it as a pancake. And how'd y'all like my video of my top 10 YouTube channels favorites? I found several other ones. I may have to update that one. I found several other ones. I'm like, oh, I'm so hooked onto them. Oops. Well, it's really sticky. It's just round. The authentic Dutch. Oh, it's caramel flavor. They may want to think about that again. That don't taste good. The De Ruyter. I don't know what that is. It looks like some kind of Mickey Mouse toast. But I know it's not Mickey Mouse toast in this little thing because it sounds like BBs. Yeah, this is called, let's see, chocolate sprinkles. This is what you put on top of cupcakes. Yeah. I'll save that for putting on top of cake or ice cream or something. That's good. But I was expecting some candy. Let's see, now we're getting to some hard candy. Let's do the peppermint last. This is a Venco Top Drop Hard Zout, whatever that is. Lord. It's black. No. That's bad. And I'm thinking those licorice may be bad. That may be worse than that licorice. Yeah. That's terrible. Oh, now this looks like what we have here. Skittles or Now Laters. Now I grew up with Now Laters. Skittles came out when I was about grown, teenager or something. That's like a chewy Skittles. Those are good. We'll save those back. And I have several of these. There's no taste on. A pretty white one. It's pretty. I don't want to eat it all because it's pretty good. It hits you with something sour. Oh God. It was good until it hit you. It's like perfume flowers from the bathroom. It's in the perfume spray. All right, I'm gonna get this over with. Maybe some of this sourness will cut this licorice. Now I'm only doing this licorice for y'all because I just want to take a little bit of that. I have some coconut cookie. Ugh, I got some paper. Remember, do a like and subscribe for me doing that. Because that was terrible. I woke my doggies up. All right. Hollandaise conjures. It must be like a Holland candy or something. I don't like licorice. I don't like red licorice, and I don't like that black, especially. It's disgusting. Yeah, if I ever go overseas, to visit the Dutch, I'll take my own candy with me, my own snacks. Yeah, or this is, it's terrible. Man, what in the world kind of stuff do they eat over there? That's terrible. And I hope the peppermint's good. My God, you can't go bad with peppermint. What is this? Like some big Tums or something. Lord, big piece of chalky Tums or something. I remember this some kind of candy like this back in the 70s. I'll pass on that. I'll finish my cookie here. I don't think I've got anything good to eat. I'll put all these in here and let my family try these, see if they like them. Hopefully somebody will eat them, because I hate having to throw all this money away. I try these things out for y'all. I'm curious too. It's really good, but I'm so stuffed. But yeah, these coconut cookies, they are delicious. Kind of like coconut macaroni. Yeah, I don't care for that. I'm gonna save that out, and these are really good. I'll save those. Oh, that's some of that nasty candy. I don't want that. This we can use on a cake, ice cream, cupcakes or something. Oh, that's that waffle thing. Yeah, that was terrible. These old still cracker Pop-Tarts. Yeah, those are terrible. And then these pretzels. Oh, these have that chemical taste. Yeah. That's what that tastes like. Yeah, I don't. Or maybe if I ate a couple of those, they'll make your joints feel real good. So make sure to subscribe and give me a like and comment and share. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and I hope you come back. And I'll talk to y'all again. Bye-bye.